All right, folks, let's dive into something that's been bugging me for a while, the so-called climate crisis. You've probably heard of the hockey stick graph, right? It's been waved around as the ultimate proof that human activities are causing catastrophic global warming. But what if I told you there's much more to the story? Let's rewind to over 12,000 years ago, to a period known as the Younger Dryas. This era saw a sudden and dramatic shift in climate, with temperatures plummeting and then skyrocketing again. And guess what? Humans had nothing to do with it. This was a natural event, driven by forces far beyond our control. So, how does this debunk the hockey stick narrative? See, simple. The hockey stick graph conveniently smoothens out these massive natural fluctuations, painting a misleading picture that recent warming is unprecedented. But the reality is Earth's climate has always been on a roller coaster. Now, let's talk about mainstream scientists. Many of them are funded by organizations with vested interests. They've got grants, careers, and reputations on the line. And let's be honest, nothing keeps the funding flowing like a good crisis. Imagine being told over and over that the sky is falling. You'd eventually start believing it, right? That's exactly what's happening with climate change. The narrative is being controlled, and anyone who dares to question it is quickly silenced or labeled a denier. But here's the kicker. Climate change is a natural cycle. Our planet has been heating up and cooling down for billions of years. We've only been around for a tiny fraction of that time, so it's arrogant to think we fully understand these vast, complex processes. Look, I'm not saying we shouldn't care about the environment. Far from it. But we need to approach this issue with a clear head and open eyes. The Earth doesn't need saving from us, we need to save ourselves from the deception. So the next time someone throws the hockey stick graph in your face, remember the Younger Dryas. Remember that climate change is a natural part of Earth's history. And most importantly, question everything. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, stay skeptical.